Hello friends, good morning to all. Here is Padmanabhan. Welcome to my session. Look at the two sentences written on the whiteboard. First one, by next March, I will have shifted to USA. By next March is a specific time. Before a specific time, I will have shifted to USA, an action that will be completed in future before a specific time. Right? Second one, she will have completed her homework before her mother arrives. There are two actions here. Her mother arrives, she will have completed her homework. This action will be completed before this action. An action that will be completed before another action in the future. So friends, today I am going to enlighten you on future perfect tense. Where do we use future perfect tense? We use future perfect tense to describe an action that will be completed before a specific time or before another action in the future. These are the two examples. In future perfect tense, we use will or shall plus have plus past participle form of verb or V3 form of verb. We use will or shall have plus V3 form of verb. I will have shifted. Will have. Will plus have plus V3 form of verb. Will have completed. Will plus have plus V3 form of verb. In future perfect tense, we use words like before, by then, by December, by 2021, etc. Here, before, by next March, etc. Right? Now, we will take one more example. He will have got promotion by next year. He will have got promotion by next year. Before a specific time, the action will be completed in future. Right? These are affirmative sentences. These can be changed into negative sentences. It's very easy. Just add not. By next March, I will not have shifted to USA. Second one, she will not have completed her homework before her mother arrives. Last one, he will not have got promotion by next year. Right? It can be converted into questions also. By next March, will I have shifted to USA? Will she have completed her homework before her mother arrives? Will he have got promotion by next year? Like that. Okay. Now I will make it clear to you. Look at the first sentence. By next March, I will have shifted to USA. Suppose this is past, this is present, after this future. Here by next March, suppose this is by next March, before that next February, next January, right? I am here at present. Now I will have shifted to USA by next March. Doesn't mean that I will shift to USA in next March. I will shift to USA a little bit before that, say next February or next January. When I will shift to USA in next January or in next February, I can say I will have shifted to USA by next March. I hope you are clear. Now let us move on. These are familiar to you by now, I am sure. First, second and third persons. We will take these as the subjects to form future perfect tense. Will have, then I will take V3 form of verb as completed. Completed the work. Before a specific time, say by Monday. The sentences will be, I will have completed the work by Monday. You will have completed the work by Monday. We will have completed the work by Monday. They will have completed the work by Monday. She will have completed the work by Monday. He will have completed the work by Monday. It will have completed the work by Monday. Now, the negative forms will be will not have or won't have. I will not have completed the work by Monday. You will not have completed the work by Monday. We will not have completed the work by Monday. They will not have completed the work by Monday. She will not have completed the work by Monday. Like that. Now, in question forms, will I have completed the work by Monday? Will you have completed the work by Monday? Will we have completed the work by Monday? Will they have completed the work by Monday? Will she have completed the work by Monday? Will he have completed the work by Monday? Like that. I hope you are clear about what I explained here in regard to future perfect tense. Friends, remember to subscribe my channel. If you have already subscribed, keep the bell button on. If you like my videos, click on to like icon. I will again come before you. Have a nice time, nice learning. Bye bye.